Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you're new here, I'm showing you how I did this quick protective hairstyle on short to medium length natural hair. As you can see, it is, I don't know, I love it, except I don't like the bun part, it's too big, but I love this protective hairstyle. I think it's cute and it actually lasts for like 2 weeks, so it's definitely worth trying. I am starting out on stretched hair. I did blow dry my hair to get it stretched. You can use another way to stretch out your hair if you need to. You can do a braid out, you can do like threading. Actually, I'm going to upload a threading stretching video. I'll try to do it next week or the week after. And then I'm going in with castor oil and I'm just using it because I felt like my hair needed a little more oil and that's why I'm using it. I'm going in further and I'm dividing it into 2 more boxes, and just to make sure everything is laying flat, I'm using the Shine and Jam gel and I'm just using it around my edges and around the edge of that box, as you can see. So I'm going in with a brush and just brushing all the flyaways, making sure everything will look nice and neat at the end. And then I went in actually and used rubber bands. I'm not sure if you need or you have to use rubber bands. You can probably try it and see if you don't need to. I have not tried it without the rubber band, so I cannot speak on it. But as you can see, I just made a little box and then I am doing a little braid. And then after that, I'm just going to make again another little box and then connect the 2 boxes together. So as you can see, I'm putting in the rubber band first and then I'm going to connect them. I found that if I don't do the rubber band first and just connect them before putting the rubber band, the 2 boxes sort of like blend in together and the line between them is not clear, which I actually wanted the line to be clear because I feel like it adds to the style. Otherwise, I might as well just do 2 cornrows. So I did 4 boxes on this side and 4 boxes on the other side. By the way, I wanted to say thank you to everyone on Facebook who wished me luck on my project. If you don't know, I went back to school and I'm doing an after-degree diploma in digital marketing. And it's been a lot of work because it's an accelerated program and oh my god, girl, we have so much homework and so many things to do, but it's been quite exciting because I'm actually really learning about things that I'm really interested in. So I'm excited about that, but I'm not excited about the work. And I've actually gone ahead and pre-filmed a few videos ahead just to make sure that I'm going to be uploading consistently. I'm doing my best to upload consistently on Wednesday and Saturday. That's when we upload on this channel. Okay, so for the next one, I am doing a cornrow. You can do a twist if you want to. I just find that a cornrow looks neater than a twist, but that's mostly because when I do twist, for some reason, I just cannot do like a super nice twist. Like my twist, I always just too fluffy for my liking, so I prefer doing cornrows instead. And as you can see, I am not doing it fast, I'm just doing it slow so you can see. If you actually want a detailed video on how to cornrow the French braid and the Dutch braid, I'm going to leave a video of how to do it linked down below, or if you're watching on Facebook, up above. So check out that link if you want to see, like if you're a beginner and you just want to learn how to cornrow, that video will show you how to do that. So this is what we're looking like right now. I like it, and I'm just going to go off camera because I mean it's just doing the same thing, and then I'll just do it on the other side and beat my face. Well, my idea of beating my face. So I just put on a scarf to make sure everything is laying flat again, and then I'm just going to go work on the back. For some reason, I feel like I always just ignore the back of my head because I don't do too much with it, and it's just the back of your head. Girl, you don't need to do too much. No one is looking at it. People look at your front and they look at your face. So I'm using a pack of Mali hair. So a funny story, I'm really just being cheap here. I didn't want to like divide this Mali hair. That's why my bun ended up being so big, but it's just because I want to use this pack of hair for something else that you'll be seeing coming very soon. Okay, so if you want, definitely use only half a pack of Mali hair because I think it probably looks better when it's smaller. But if you like the big bun, then girl, do you. So after that, I'm just wrapping it around my little bun, and I'm going to use some pins to make sure that everything stays in place and it stays secure. So it didn't move like with The band didn't move at all with all the pins that I placed, so when you're pinning, girl, take care of it so that it's not falling out when you go outside. And then just to accessorize again, you know I love earrings, so I'm using these earrings. I think I have them in another color, I think probably brown or a red, and I absolutely love them. And then to accessorize my hair, I'm going in with these gold cuffs. You don't have to use them, or you can use them if you want, or any other accessories that you like. And I'm just putting it between the little boxes. I think it adds, you know, a little oomph to the style, which I absolutely love. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do already. You know, I love hearing what you think about the hairstyle and the hair, so let me know what you think down below. And if you have not subscribed yet, girl, subscribe already. We have so much fun here, and we upload a new video on Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you for coming by the channel, guys. I will see you next time. Bye bye.